You already know it's your boy Joe, back at it again. CodingPhase.com, your boy's back and I did it again. Guys, I got something special for you guys. Today is Black Friday, okay guys? I have a list of a couple of things that you guys need to get for this Black Friday, because this is the time to get some sales, okay? So take advantage, alright? Now, currently right now, as we speak, we have a all week long coupon code that you guys can use to get 60% off on everything on the website, CodingPhase.com. If you're looking to learn how to code, you're looking how to get a job as a web developer, you're looking to sharpen up your skills, or even to be able to have access to a bunch of courses without breaking the bank, CodingPhase.com is the place to be, okay? We have courses in everything from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, PHP, Laravel, basically everything that you need to become a developer and get hired. Okay, so if you're looking for that, make sure you check out the description. We have a coupon code called Black Friday Week 18. Okay, and that's basically for Black Friday this whole week. Okay, you have access to this coupon code that's gonna give you 60% off. Okay, now most of you guys already know in 2019 we're no longer doing 50% off. We're not doing 60. We're not doing 70% off. Okay, so this is the time to really take advantage, because this is the last year that we're actually doing this. Okay, if you sign up for the monthly subscription, you're gonna get basically, I think it's like $8 a month that you pay, and you can cancel at any moment. If you say, Joe, I like this, cool, I'm gonna be here for a month, 2 months, cancel it at any moment. Okay, if you want, hey Joe, I want to sign up for the yearly, which you actually save money, because you're paying, I think it's like $80 for the whole year, unlimited access to every single course I create, period. Not only can you buy the courses by itself, right, which are, I think it's like $20 or something like that if you buy each course individually with the 60% off, but you're actually saving so much more. Okay, so take advantage. Go to the website right now, CodingPhase.com. Use the link that's on the description. You get that 60% off. You're able to get, 60% off on the monthly, the yearly, and even the lifetime. A lot of people have taken advantage and they're actually signing up to the lifetime, which just means that forever, whatever courses I make, you have access to them completely for free. Okay, so please take advantage. This is one of the deals that I have for you guys for Black Friday. Alright guys, so why you should learn with CodingPhase.com? Well, it's very simple. Okay, I try to make every single course in a way that anybody can learn it. Lil Cindy from the local store, Lil Billy the truck driver, Lil Johnny the guy that's the mechanic, whoever it is, right? It doesn't matter who it is, right? I try to make it a way where any person coming from a technical background or coming from somewhere where they're like, man, all I know how to do is use Facebook, right? I try to make sure that anybody can learn these things. Okay, when you take other courses, what they do is they teach you as if you were in a computer science class, which is great. You learn a lot of fundamentals. But for somebody who is not coming from a technical background, right, or from somebody who is just brand new to this, you might get overwhelmed, right? This is one of the reasons why a lot of people quit. So I make sure that all of my courses, they're up to date. All of my courses, they come in with cool projects that you'll be like, oh shoot, I'm making real websites, real projects that I can actually put this on my portfolio and be proud of. Okay, this is not gonna be just a little BS to-do app, a little BS project that you could have gotten for free on YouTube. I'm actually coming in and giving you real work. Okay, the things that you're gonna be doing for a client, the real things that you're gonna be doing for a senior developer to help him out, the things that you're gonna be doing for an employer, right? Doesn't matter at what level, anything from the beginning stages in freelancing all the way to working in enterprise. Okay, so pretty much you're getting everything in one website. Yes, there's a lot of good resources out there, but like I said, now a lot of them are actually run by somebody who is self-taught. A lot of the companies that you might see out here, they pretty much are run by, a guy who has a technical background, so doesn't know how to really talk to another human being who is just a beginner in this, right? Somebody who has no knowledge in this. Because web development and learning to code is not hard. It's just the way how people present it to you, okay? It's like I come in here, and if I try to tell you guys, I want you guys to build me a website, right? And I come in and I'll tell you, okay, build me a website with a REST API, you know, I want you to do Ajax, I want you to do this, and that, right? Most people, the first time they hear this, they're like, wait, what? Slow it down for me. I don't understand this, Joe, right? So what I try to do is I come in and I teach you every single thing from scratch, okay? All you have to do is literally follow along the timeline. I'll make sure that everything that's there is what you need to get a job. So just follow along and you're gonna learn everything that you need, okay? It's not like we're teaching you with big words where it's like, man, somebody's gonna be like, man, I've never heard of this word, I've never done this before, this is too technical for me, and then they shut down, right? Or they'll be like, man, these projects are too hard, right? If you give somebody a hard project that they've never done before, yes, some people might be able to survive, right, and be able to become successful, but the majority of people are gonna quit in the beginning, right? So what I try to do is I basically teach you gradually. Every single project is connected to the last one, and everything that you learn on the last one is going to help you build the next one that comes up after that, okay? So by the end, you're going to become a developer and ready to start working, okay? There's a lot of people that can come here to the comment section and leave comments. If you're watching this, leave your comments how CodingPhase.com has helped you out, okay? Just be honest, leave a comment, let us know how CodingPhase has helped you out, so other people that's reading this and are watching this right now, they can actually see like, yo, this actually works. There's a lot of people that have been getting jobs. I know people that have gotten jobs within a month as HTML email developers, okay, earning above $50,000, okay? Now, I'm not saying that I'm gonna make you a millionaire, because this is not what this channel is about. You can make yourself a millionaire if you want to, if that's your goal, but what I can do is get you, instead of having that BS job where you're earning $15 an hour, $13 an hour, I can help you get into a career where you can actually make $30, $40, $50 an hour and up, right? So it's up to you, right? So sometimes not knowing where to go is the biggest problem. Not knowing where to get help is the biggest problem. And like now, you know, hey man, if I want to do something better for my life and I want to actually step my game up, I have CodingPhase.com, okay? So definitely take advantage. Like I said, there's a couple of things here that I'm going to put in the description that are also going to be Black Friday deals, but I would definitely say, guys, please take advantage of what we have here at CodingPhase.com. A lot of people have been getting jobs, and there's a lot of people that can leave in the comments, you know, different, you know, examples and, you know, things that they've been through and how CodingPhase.com has actually helped them out, okay? I'm not a salesman. I'm not a guy that just comes here and be like, hey man, come in here, check me out, and here's my Ferrari, here's my this and that, and you're gonna get all this money. No. I'm a guy that work hard for everything that I've gotten, and if you're somebody who is a hard worker just like me, but feel like, man, I'm stuck in an industry that I'm not growing, I'm not getting any money that I should be getting, come to CodingPhase.com. Get into the tech industry. You know, take this opportunity and learn how to code. You know, technology, coding, programming, etc. is the future. Okay, this is where it's at. Okay, and becoming a web developer is the beginning stages. From here on, we could jump into a lot of different careers. Okay, and yeah, Black Friday week 18. That's the coupon code. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.